Hello everyone, so this video applies to most of the Civics who has day running light. I would say Civic 6th generation, 7th generation, or even 8th generation. Acura EL as well. Acura EL was started in 1997 and all the end to 2005, so it's all the same chassis, same design. So I was having a buzz right here. The sound of the buzz was coming from here. There's some headlight relays right here, just behind here. You don't need to know what is it, because most of the time they work. That's not the problem. The problem is with your day running light module, which is under the dash right here, which I'm going to show you. So you remove this fuse plastic first, panel, and then you remove this one right here. Under here you will see you have to find a gray looking box. I disconnected and it's now working properly. No more buzzing sound. So just disconnect right here. If you're having a huge loud buzz from the back of the dash right here, the buzz comes from here. If you listen carefully, I disconnect the day running light module and it worked. The problem with this is because there's some short in the circuit of the day running light module. So all you do is pull it out and then you resolder the connections, because after a certain time the solder gets old and there's some short. All you do is just clean it up and then you resolder. There's many videos on YouTube already on how to do this, but today I'm just telling you that disconnecting the day running light module will solve your buzzing, rear buzzing problem for the headlights. Alright guys, so have a great day. Thank you for watching.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run.